Hey subscriber, this is Sean with the Fix My Home channel with another video. Today I want to show you how you can install the overhead storage racks. So it's give you much more space and it's perfect for my place. As you see, it's a mess. Alright, so we're gonna install that all the way over there in the corner, and you see how much space you're gonna get. The 4-piece we have to install to the ceiling. So as you see, this 4-piece has a longer hole, so make sure you choose the right one. To find the stud, you have to find the stud first to hang it to the ceiling. The best way is to use stud finder, but if you don't have a stud finder, I use the drywall screw, and I tested like nice screw. If it's go easy, so it's in, there is no stud. Here you go. Too many hole on the wall. So as you see those screw, so it's showing as a stud over there, and I try to find the middle of them. So the middle screw is showing the middle of the stud. So I don't know why we have some wood over there, but I tried the other area, there is nothing. So we have the wood is going like that, and the other one is there, so I need that one. So as you see, a lot of screw over there is showing we have a wood over there in the back, but I don't know. Here we don't have anything, just 3. So it's showing the stud is right there, not over there. Maybe it's a wood for the door or something. But another thing, so because I have a beam here, so the stud should be like that. So this is another way you can find the way of the stud. So I'm gonna start to put those over there. I'm gonna start put one here. It should be 48 and a half, and the 48 and a half is gonna be the other one over there. So I removed the screw and I marked that one. I want to put the screw one here, one away. So that's in the middle of my stud. We put the first screw. So this is the screw, as you see, is long. So that's why we want to make sure we go in the middle of the stud. So, and this is the end of the. So I just found the middle of the stud. So I'm gonna put another one here. Just installed that 2 vertical part, and is loose. I didn't tie it, and I put this one to make sure I'm in this right side. Just put the level on that one and make the mark over there, so I know where is the next bracket it will go. So it's a straight line from that one to there. So like other side, I put 3 screw to show which one is exactly is going to be the middle of the stud. So that's the line I just draw with the level if I'm following, and there is a stud here. So always you have to test it too. Maybe the stud is not straight. Here you go. I installed all 4 brackets. So now I'm gonna add the extension. I installed that 4 extension too, as you see right there, and I tried to put that piece. I see everything is still loose, so I didn't tie anything. So this one is go over there, one will go over there, and in the middle he has a place to put the screw. So I'm gonna put the screw. So as you see, I just put the frame together, so but everything is loose. So and now I'm gonna start tying everything. There you go. The rack is ready. We just add the extension and put the 2 screw, and that's it. We just add this and ready to go. It's very simple. The hard part is just install that to the ceiling, to the stuff. So for to be secret, as you see, I add 2 more screw, the drywall screw, long one with the washer, just for in case, to all 4 of them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Have a great day.